are two types of data types are there, sir. One is static data types. Second one is dynamic data. Any new members are there today? Demo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, done. Sir, WhatsApp him, Manoj, okay, na? He will give previous two classes, demos, videos. Just yesterday, actually, class started. That is data types are started in yesterday class. Okay, any programming language, there are two types of data types are there. One is static, second one is the dynamic. Sir, static means being a programmer, we have to declare data types explicitly. For example, I want to declare one date variable A. What is the type of this variable? I have to declare it as a integer. Then A can accept it only integer only. I want to declare B. What is the type of the B? I want to accept it, the B value is float. I want to declare one variable S. What is the type of the variable? String. So being a programmer, first we decided the data type. And what is the meaning of data type? What type of data I want to store into a particular variable, we have to decide it being a programmer. That is called as what it is, data type. So I have to decide that the type of A should be integer, the type of B should be the float, the type of S should be the string. So this type of declaration is called as a which data type? Static. So these variables can be accepted only one variety of the data. A accepted only integers, B accepted only float, S accepted only string. By mistake, if I'm given A equal to 1.2, is it accepted? No. If I'm given equal to 20, no. If I'm given S equal to true, not accepted because A is integer, B is float, S is the string. Only such a type of values only have to provide. So that is called as static data types. So a programming language which can support this static data type, that programming language is called as statically typed programming language. So whatever languages are there, every language nowadays supported those only. C, C++, Java, you go with .NET, every language supported those only. Sir, a dynamic data type. What is the meaning of dynamic means? A runtime. Starting initially, I'm not decided data type. I declared A. If I can ask a question, Babu, what is the type of A? We don't know. Because am I declaring any type? No. But here you know what is the type of A? Integer. What is the type of B? Float. What is the type of S? String. What is the type of A? We don't know. So when it is decided based on provided data by the user, now I have to give A equal to 10. Then automatically it will be considered as a integer. If I'm given B equal to 1.2, then automatically it is considered as a float. If I'm given S equal to some value, then it will be treated as str. So based on provided data, the type will be decided. Such way, these data types are called as dynamic. The variable can be accepted any type of the data. A programming language which can accept this type of data, that language is called as a dynamically typed programming language. So which language can accepted? There are two languages are there, sir. Python and JavaScript. These two are accepted dynamically because runtime the type will be decided based on provided value. Such a type of data types are this one. Now, how many Python data types are there? Yeah. Now, no. In Python, especially arrays concept is not there. No arrays. Here, list tuple set is there. If I want to store multiple values, a equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, like that we can store. Python does not support arrays. If you want to do with arrays means next one more extra library is there and that is NumPy. In that ND arrays are there. Dimensional arrays, 1D array, 2D array, 3D array. Then we go for NumPy, Python not supported arrays. Then now Python data types. In Python, two categories are there, sir. One is fundamental data types, sir. Second one, collection data types. Sir, fundamental data types are nothing but if we want to store single values, one object, then we need to go to this fundamental data types. Sir, who are having any doubts are there? You can use the chat panel, Srinidhi, Shivani, and Shravanti. Whatever you have doubts, please use the chat panel. I will read your doubt. I will explain, okay? Because here no speakers, nothing. It is not possible to allow to the talk. You can use chat panel. Sir, now fundamental data types means these can accepted one object, single values I can store. There are 5 categories are there: integer, float, Boolean, complex, string. Maybe in yesterday class, all these 5 were discussed. Collection data type means we have to store multiple values, multiple objects into one entity, single entity I want to store. Those are bytes, byte array, list, tuple, set, frozen set, dig, none, range. Totally, Python data types are 14 data types are available there. Sir, yesterday we had a discussion about first one completed integer data type. Integer means any integral values I can provided x equal to 10 or y equal to 1, 2, 3. These are all the integers. In integers again, 4 ways are there. One is, yes, decimal format, binary format, octal, and hexadecimal. Sir, decimal means it is base 10 values. The allowed digits are 0 to 9. Binary means base 2. The allowed digits are only 0 and 1. How to give the literal 0B or 0 capital B? Octal values nothing but base 8, sir. It is accepted 0 to 7 only. We have to give 0, 0 capital O we can provide it. Hexadecimals are nothing but base 16. We have to give values 0 to 9. After that, small a to f or capital A to f. We have to give 0 small x, 0 capital X. Where is the proof? Once Python is installed, there is one component is there. What it is? IDLE. Python Integrated Development Learning and Environment Purpose. Just it is understandable purpose. Python's Integrated Development and Learning Environment. Suppose I have to give x equal to 10. You can ask a type of x. What it is? Integer. Every data type internally implemented as a class is. So what is class? What is object? Later on we'll see. But every data type internally implemented one class. So how to give binary number? 0B 1010. Then it is a binary number. What is equivalent decimal number? 10. What is the type? Type of x is integer only. I can use capital B also. 0B 1010. What is the value of x? 10 only. So small b is accepted. Capital B is also allowed. Suppose if I give 0B 1, 2, 3, is it valid? No, because binaries means only zeros and ones only allowed. Now, octal 0, 10 valid. Type of x 8 because octal to decimal 8 power 0, 8 power 1, 8 only. X equal to capital O valid only. What is the value of x? Yes. X equal to 0, 786, invalid. Because octal means 0 to 7 only valid numbers, octal. Third one, hexadecimal. X equal to 0 x of, I can give the face, valid. Now, the type of X, what it is? Integer only. So these type of data types yesterday we discussed. After that, we did base conversions. Base conversion means decimal to binary, binary to decimal octal. There are three functions are there: bin, OCT, HEX. Suppose I am given 10. 10 is a decimal. I want to convert it to binary. That is equal to binary number 1010. 10 divided with 2, you are getting 1010. That is the binary number. Same OCT of 10. 10 divided with 8, 1808, 2 is the remainder. 1, 2, we are getting it. Hexadecimal of 20 divided with 16, 4 is the remainder. 1, 4 is there. So that is the just predefined functions are there. If you want to use anywhere, you can use these type of functions to convert one base to another base. That is integer. Second one, float. Float means it is view floating point values, dot values. That is called as float. F equal to 1.23. Now I can ask type of F. What is the type of F? Float. Sir, can I give 1.2 E3? Now it is also what is the type? Float. E means exponential format. A large value can be stored into short memory, then I can use exponential. E3 means 10 power 3. 1.2 into 10 power 3. What is the value of F? 1200.0. That is the float value. I need to use 1.2 E3 also. Then also valid only. So who are the first class? Yesterday I'm explaining all these things. That's it. Just I'm giving overview only. Okay. That is the float. Now, at the time of float values, sir, 0B1010.3. Is it valid? What is the value of F? 0B1010 means 10. So what is the value of F? 10.3. Yes or no? Yes, sir. It is invalid. In the float number, it is accepted only decimals only. Binaries, octals, hexadecimals are not valid. As the already I'm telling, in the float, compulsory you can use decimals. Float allows only decimals. But here I'm given binary, invalid, not allowed. So that is the float type. Next, what is the third one? Bool. Bool means only two options are there. True, false. True meant for 1, sir. False meant for 0. Based on condition, it will be decided true or false. For example, 10 less than 20. Yes or no? No? Yes, true. 10 greater than 20. No, false. We are getting it. Now, true plus true. 1 plus 1, 2. True plus false. 1 plus 0, 1. False minus true. 0 minus 1, minus 1. That is the Boolean types. Fourth one, complex data type. Complex means A plus Bj. A is meant for real part. B is meant for imaginary part. I meant for square root of minus I na J na? J, not I. I is invalid. Now, C equal to 10 plus 3J. Type of C. But entire Python, we never use this complex data type. Just it is available at the time of scientific application, electrical engineering annotations, then only we can use this. Entire Python, we never use this one. Suppose A equal to 1.5 plus 3.5J. Valid? Valid only. The type of X, sorry, A. The type of A complex. A equal to, I can provide 0B1010 plus 3J. Valid? Valid. What is the value of A? 10 plus 3J. A equal to 3 plus 0B1010J. Invalid because imaginary part binaries are not accepted. This one also completed. Last data type str. Str means general every programming language it is accepted single quotes or double quotes. Python accepted triple singles, triple, double. All are there. You have to give single quotes, double, triple single, triple double. All are called as string only. Now check this. S equal to single quotes, the type of SSR, string only. Double quotes, string only. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. String only. 1, 2, 3. Triple double. 1, 2, 3. Triple double. Type of S. 4 ways are there to declare. I think when we go for single, double, what is the difference between these triple, single, triple, double codes? Upcoming classes at the time of string data type, I will explain for you. So up to here, last classes we discussed. Okay, clear explanation is required. You can contact him. We will give video just to go through that one. Until yesterday, I'm covering this one. Next, make a heading. Slicing of a string. Yesterday, someone is asking this one. What is the meaning of the slice? General meaning. What is the meaning of slice? Maja, slice, cool drink is there. That slice only. Mixing of, I'm asking general, not subject. General meaning of slice. Slice means a piece. That is nothing but a slice. Sir, if I'm given one apple for you to eat this apple, how you are eating? Ekdam half what we are eating or cut the pieces, we can eat it. Cut the pieces and we can eat it. Same slice means one piece. For example, there is a string is there. Okay. My string is, this is the string. In this one, my requirement is, I want only sun. What is required? Sun only. Or else I want required only Leone. Or I want only NY. Or I want only Lee. Or I want only one. So this string I can make is piece by piece or not? Yes. Then I need to go to this. That is the meaning of slicing of a string. To do this one, Python provided one operator. Cutting, split, only edit place. Okay. Now is it visible ideally? Yeah. See this? Okay, okay. It's not visible. So now just I'm explaining what is value X, type of X. Okay. How to declare Boolean values. Now, how I am given this invalid. How to declare our octal numbers. Yesterday, what I explained, the same thing I explained just now. How to declare 4 to type 1.2 E3 and capital E also valid. After that, Booleans, true plus true, true plus false, true minus 1. This I explained now. Complex number, floating points are accepted, binaries are not accepted. Now, how to give string? Single quotes, double quotes, triple single, triple double. These things I explained in our ideally. Okay. I didn't share it. That's why. Sorry. So now this is explained into our ideally. Just whatever explained yesterday, same I explained. Now I want to go to the slice. What is the meaning of the slice? Slice means a piece. For that, Python provided one operator. Yesterday someone is asking, oh, 3 is to 4, 4 is to 3, like that. Okay. That is only, okay. This operator is called as a slice operator. Sir, how it is working means in this slice operator, observe carefully. We have to provided, sir, two values. Ante first value I can give begin colon, I will give end. Okay. I will give the notes. First see example. Begin to end. Ante where can I start and where can I end? But it will stop not until the end. It will stop end minus 1. Yesterday we discussing string means sequence of characters. And every character indexing is there. Yesterday I'm given a small example for you. I'm given SUNNY. What is the first? 0. Next 1. Next 2. Next 3. Next 4. Because by default string index started with 0 only. S of 0, S of 1, S of 2, 3, 4. S of 6 not there. Index out of range. Here itself only S of 0. S of 2, S of 3, S of 6, not available. Index out of range. That is, sir, this accessing called as based on index. I'm not using anywhere slice based on index. So to access the values, there are two ways are there. That is based on index. Second one based on slice. Up to now, we are using this one, first one. What it is? Index-based accessing. Now I want to go with slice. Okay. What I was doing is begin. And I want to provide that your string is S of 0, colon, 4. What is the values we are coming? 0 to third index only. Not until 4. What I'm telling end minus 1. What is the begin value? 0. What is the end value? 4. 4 means 4 minus 1. 3 only. Now check it. Example. Now I can take S equal to Sunny space Leone. Now S of 0 colon 4. What are the values are coming? 0, 1, 2, 3. Yes. 0, 1, 2, 3. U, N, N. That is the meaning of slice operator. S, U, N, N, we are getting it. For example, sir, I'm not providing starting value. Then valid or invalid? Valid. If I'm not providing anything, by default, every string started with what is the index? 0. So now also the output is SUNN only, sun only. Because every index by default starts with 0, perfectly it is also valid. So begin is mandatory or optional? Optional, not required. For example, S of 6 colon. Now, what I'm given? Begin position I'm given. Am I mentioned any end? No. So it will start from 6th index until last. How many are there though? What is the 6th position? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Space is there. That is also 5. So 6 means L. We will get Leone. Valid. So Leone, yeah. We will get all characters. Starting from 6 until the last, Dinesh. Not all characters. From 6th to until the last, we are getting it. Sir, now, end is mandatory or optional? Am I given any end position? No, ante optional or not? But can I give like this? Valid? Valid, invalid? Valid. Invalid. Sir, begin optional, end optional. Begin if I'm not prime, byte will take 0 until last. Until it will give Total string you will get it valid only. Because just now I'm telling na begin optional. Where is one in this case? In this case, end optional. If you're not providing anything, begin 0 until end. I'm getting Sunny Leone. For example, yes of 0:1000 valid. Valid. How many indexes are there? Error. Show as invalid. What is the meaning? Means starting to end man 0 to until the last. S colon means begin. I'm not provided optional 0. Last ending that is. Sir, valid invalid? ఏంటి ఇక్కడ ఉందా సన్నీ లియోని? చూడు అమ్మాయి అడిగిన క్వశ్చన్ వదిలేసి అక్కడ సన్నీ లియోని ఉందని చూస్తుంది అక్కడ. సార్ నౌ 0:1000 means it is perfectly valid. We are not getting any error. It started from 0 to until the last index is 1000. 1000 indexes are not there. How many are there? You can take that one. Sunny Leone, valid only. Maximum everyone telling invalid answers no. The main reason is slice operator never raise error. Remember, not only 1000, yes of 0:1000 I'm given. Valid only. So slice operator never raise error. Either it will give string or else it will give empty only. Participate option not allowed. What you want participate, man? Sir, like that. So that is the meaning of slicing operator begin to end value. Sir, now anyone please tell. Yes, colon. 2 colons I am given. Valid, invalid. What is the meaning if it is valid? Single colon, you know, begin 0, end. Sunny Leon, I'm getting this example. I'm given double colon. Invalid, valid. What is the output? Sir, what is the output we are getting? ఒకసారి ఫ్రంట్ నుంచి వచ్చి ఒకసారి బ్యాక్ నుంచి వచ్చిద్దా? ఇదేమన్నా శాతవాహన ట్రైన్ విజయవాడ టు హైదరాబాద్ టు విజయవాడ. So he is telling once 2 colons I'm given. One is getting Sunny Leone, second colon getting reverse to first. The double colon meaning is it is also getting complete string only from forward direction Sunny Leone only. But what is the meaning of colon means? I'm given for you one syntax only. Another syntax is there, sir, that is begin colon end colon. Another argument is there. What it is? Step. What is the meaning of step? Ante step or increment. For example, sir, observe carefully. I'm given 0:10. I'm not given any step 1. Then what is the meaning means? It is taken from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on until 9. Same 0:10:2. Now 0, what is the next value? General what it is? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Like 2 means you jump to the second. Ante 0 plus 2, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. Don't go for 10 until 9 only. You can stop. That is the meaning of step. Now 0:10:3. Now 0, 3, 6, 9. Buzz. Stop. Now 0:10:5. 0, 5. Stop. After the 10, I don't go 10, 9 only valid. So 0 and 5. That is the meaning of step. Sir, now I am given 0:10. What is the meaning? Same or not? 0, 1, 2, 3, so on 9. This one, both are same or not same? Same only. If you are not mentioned anything, by default step value is 1. If you mention 1, same. Adi if you want to 2, 3, 5, 6, that is your wish. So in this case, begin is mandatory, optional. Optional kada, removed. End is mandatory, optional. Remove. Remove. Step is mandatory, optional. Remove. What will happen, sir? 2 colons came. That is the meaning of 2 colon. So yeah, Suraj is asking, sir, why we do not take 10? You need take anything, man, no problem. Sir, he is asking 0 colon 10 colon 10. What will happen? Only it will take 0 index. 0 index means first letter. That is yes only. Valid only, Suraj. I will use for so many case studies, okay, na? Whatever you are given, na, I will give number of possibilities. I will show, okay? It's perfectly valid. Only yes will return. Because after 0, 0 plus 10 means 10th index, but it is valid 0 to 9 only. So only 0 will come. Why we do not take 10 number? Any number you can take, Raji. So that is the meaning of slide. Now anyone please tell yes of colon colon minus 1. Is it valid? I'm not given a positive value, negative value I'm given now. What is the meaning? It should be reverse. Valid, 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 valid. Valid, valid. Okay. Sir, what is the meaning of minus 1 means? Do you know 0, 1, 2, 3 means left to right forward direction. Negatives means it is started with minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. The string will be reversed. That is the meaning of minus 1. The total string should be last to first will come. For example, now, yes, now tell carefully 0 colon 5 colon minus 1. Anyone tell the answer? Tell. N N U N N U S. His answer is online answer కూడా చూద్దాం. YNNUS. NNUS. Sunny Leon. YNNUS. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. ఇంకా any answers? So maximum 2 answers are coming. Everyone telling YNNUS. Some guys are telling NNUS. He is telling NNUS. Online people are telling 2 answers are coming. So which is the correct one? ENOE. అక్కడి నుంచి వచ్చారు మీరు. ఓకే, అర్థమైందిలే. Same. Your answer 1% telling. Aditya. ENOE is telling. Sir, can you explain once again? What can I explain, man? First of all, see this one. Maybe you joined late, na? These many exams I am telling, again you are asking one more. Sir, here 0 colon 5 colon minus 1 means the output is what it is output? NN U. Yes, wrong. YNNU. Yes, that is also wrong. Okay, don't worry. ENOE. Very good. That also wrong. L, very good, wrong. Sir, here you are getting the output is empty string. Empty. Nothing. Why means because, sir, up to now I am explaining positive indexes. I am explaining. I am not explaining the negative index. As at present, we don't have complete idea about the slice operator behavior, because how slice operator working means always based on step value. Positive means left side to right side. Negative means right to left side. But there are some rules are there. So in Up to now, just only concentrate these examples only. Later on in str data type, I will give full clarity about this one, and I will give one case study for you. That is, then you will get much clarity about the slice up, because in certification there are slice operator, some questions also there. Yeah. Present, I'm not explaining, sir. It is a big story, lengthy story. Minimum 1 hour it will take. You're going to hear so many possibilities. I will explain. You will get then clarity about the slice. Here, you got minus indexes are there. -1, -2, you got 0, -10, -11, -12, -9. Available, not available? Yes. If you want to do this one day, 1 hour, we will spend about this slice operate. Then you will get clarity. Present, this is only you can remember. So 0, begin, end. If I'm not anything, by default, step 1. If we given step, this things is enough present situation. So now make heading slice operator. Slice means a piece, square brackets, colon is called as slice operator, sir, which can be used to retrieve parts of the string. So that operator is called as a slice operator. In Python, string follows which index? 0 based index. And the starting letter should be 0. The index can be, sir, either may be positive or may be negative. Both are supported in Python. Other languages not supported. Even JavaScript also, positive index is there, negatives are not there. Only Python supported. Positive index means forward direction from left to right, sir. Negative index means backward. From right to left. That is. S of 0. S of -1. S of 11. First one S. Next one E. 11 కాదు 15 తీసుకోండి 15. Index error. This accessing called as index based. S of 0:5. Valid. S of 0, sorry, :5. Valid. S of 6, valid. S of valid. Outputs I'm not providing, just you have to execute, you will get clarity. 0:5 means 0 to 4. :5 means 0 to 4. 6: means 6 to last. S: means starting to ending. S of : valid. S of ::1. It should be reversed. These are the possibilities. Present, this knowledge is enough, sir. Later I will tell negative indexes and all those things. Present, just execute this one into your IDLE. Then you will get much clarity. Rasa -1 3 ఏంటిది? Sorry, E kada. E. Last one. 15, index is not there, index error. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. For negative index, it won't start with 0, sir, from backside. No. Negative index slice operator is behavior different. Right to left it is coming. There are some rules are there. Upcoming class I will explain, Raju. Present concentrate only positive index. Negative story is the completely different. I will explain, okay? Negative means it is coming to right side to left side it is reading. So last key ENOELYNNUS. This is the outputs. Sure, that is about the basic introduction to the slice operator. Next one. For example, sir, I have to give as a S equal to Sunny I'm given. Length of S. How many characters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fine. 5. Sir, S star 2, is it valid? What will happen, sir? Star 2 meant for valid. Star meant for, sir, for example, 10 star 2. What is the meaning? 20 or 10? Very good. Intelligent boy. 10 into 2 ఎంత? 10 into 2 ఎంత? 20 కదా? Multiplication 20 only. When 10 came means 10 start to now 10 and 10. Sir, one string is available means then it is a ఏం చూడండి 12 అంట. Sir, if it is a two integers, sir, it is a multiplication 20, sir. Whenever it is string, it is called as a star meant for repetition operator. What it is? Repetition. So star meant for one is multiplication purpose, one is repetition. Now S equal to Sunny, what it is? String. So that's a valid. S star 2. Sunny will be repeated 2 times because, yes, correct only. Because one string into integer means that string will be repeated 2 times. Mari, is it valid? S star 2 means Sunny Babu repeat 2 times. Valid only. I'm given 2 star yes. 2 will be repeated Sunny times. Invalid? Very good. Now, sir, 10 into 2, how much? 20. 2 into 10, invalid. Valid, invalid. 20. Mari S star 2 valid అయినప్పుడు 2 star S why invalid? Very good. Intelligent boys. 2 star S also valid only. Sunny only will be. Here mandatory thing is one string, one integer. Adi first string or later on string, no problem. One string, one integer only mandatory. That string will be repeated those many times. Compulsory first string is not mandatory rule. Now we have to tell Sunny star Leonie. Now, మంచి కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ చేసినట్టున్నావు. Sir, what is the output? It should be invalid because both are strings. ఇదిగోండి type error. Compulsory what I'm telling? One string, one integer. Both strings are not valid, sir. Sunny star 2.5. So Sunny will be repeated 2.5 times. Invalid it is also. Compulsory what I'm telling? Integer only I'm given. Float value invalid, sir. Sir, based on this your knowledge, Sunny plus 3. Now, plus meant for adding. Ante if two integers అయితే adding, I accepted. 10 plus 3, 13, adding. Sunny plus 3. Now, Sunny 3. What it is? Concatenation. అది two integers అయితే addition. One string integer means concatenation, combining. So what is the output you are getting? Sunny 3 we are getting it. Concatenation will be happened, but we will get error. Invalid. Not concatenation. Who is telling concatenation? But your answer is correct in other languages. Correct only. In Java it is correct. Sunny 3. Other language, every language correct only except Python. Python invalid. Not valid. But how to concatenation? Sunny plus 3. Now your answer is correct. What it is? Sunny 3. One string, one integer is invalid, especially in Python. Other languages valid only. So these things at the time of string data type, I will give clarity one by one. Okay. So any string, not only number and Sunny plus Leonie. Now concatenation valid only. 3 plus Sunny. Now Sunny 3 or 3 Sunny? 3 Sunny will come, not Sunny 3 always. Okay. So that is, sir, simple fundamental rule is, later again I will tell, at the time of plus, compulsory the rule is both should be strings only. If I give string plus integer, invalid. Integer plus string, invalid. This is the plus rule operator. Mari, what about star? String star string. Invalid. String star integer. Integer star string. Adi. Here in this two valid is wrong. Here it is valid. These are wrong. That is the rule of plus and star operators. Sir, totally, finally, Sunny S star 2. The output is Sunny will get. That is enough. Present situation. In str data type, because so many loopholes are there, I will tell all those things in string data type. That this is present basics are present. I'm telling what is integer, what is float, what is boolean, complex string. Basic introduction I am telling. Why I am not telling the slice of all these? 5th chapter is there. Course content. Already explained for you this one, course content. Now, first I'm telling in the first chapter fundamentals means basic introduction only. 2, 3, 4 is one. Here I will give full clarity about the string. That slice operator, positive, negative, case studies, string manipulations. So many programs are there. So next last 5 chapters we are dealing with completely data types. These 5 chapters. There are so many programs, internal methods are there. String, list, tuple, set, dictionary. Then you will get much clarity. Present it is not completed. This is just basic introduction as well. What is string, what is integer, float, and what is the bytes, byte array list. Basic introduction I am telling. Sir, once all fundamentals are completed, what is the next one? Collection data types. Collection means 9 are there. But before going to collection data type, a small concept I want to discuss, that is, what it is? Typecasting. What is the meaning of typecasting? Converting one type to another, because here 5 types are there: integer, float, boolean, string, complex. Sir, I want to convert integer to the string. Sir, I want to convert string to boolean, boolean to float, float to how to convert? That is conversion. Yeah, conversions of data types. We are converting one type to another type. Such a type of concept is called as what it is? Typecasting. Sir, first you need to take whatever you want, you can take it. Float, integer, string. Actually, why are you taking integer? Again, I'm converting integer to float. What is the reason? Suppose you know you want integer. A equal 10 you can take. No, sir, I want float. B equal to 1 point you can take. No, sir, I want string. S equal to I can take some string. Actually, first, why are you taking the values? Why you are new to the conversion? What is the use of the typecasting? Okay. For the one simple program I will write, check the output. Sir, where we can write in ideally file, new file. Later on I will tell just to see this program enough. Maybe in starting class I explained this one for you. Input, enter, first number, I'm accepting, stored into X. Now enter second number. Just to see what is happening there. Why? Just I'm providing sum only. Print the sum is comma x plus y. Save. Anywhere you can save. I have a folder is there. Mahesh classes. File name compulsory .py. Paste.py. Save this. Saved it. Now just go to run. Run module. Bus. Enter first number 10. Enter second number 20. What is the output? 30. 10 plus 20, 30 only. Aditya telling 1020. Intelligent boy. Oh, my Sunny Leone also telling 1020. What is the output? 10 na 1020? Sorry, 30 or 1020 na? 30. Very good. What is the output? 1020 only correct, not 30. Yes, sir, no? The reason you don't know. Okay, no problem. Because I'm entering 1020 as a programmer, not a programmer, end user, you think that integers. But runtime you are given value. Python is a dynamically typed programming or not? And how Python is considered? We don't know. I need to ask to the Python only. Oh, Python, you have to tell what is the type of X. You have to tell what is the type of A. Then I will get much clarity because runtime it is decided. I am not deciding the type. Now run this. Run. First number 20, second number 30. What it is considered? String. Sir, just now we discussed two strings plus means concatenation, not arithmetic. Yes or no? That's why I'm getting 100. Sir, I am given 1020, but it is taken as a concatenation. I want to do arithmetic. Now what to do? Typecasting is required. That's why typecasting is mandatory. So what do you have to do? String to integer, then an arithmetic. Otherwise, suppose one person came, sir, in your bank amount 10,000 balance is there. You deposit through ATM machine 5,000. Then your balance, already existing balance is how much amount? 10,000 rupees. You deposited 5,000. Being a programmer, I'm written program like this. Then your balance will become 10,000. 5,000 will come. Yes or no? Actually, what is your balance? 15,000. But it will display whenever you're checking what is my balance means it will display that balance 10,000, 5,000. Then what is the amount? This one 10 crores 5,000. Oh, enjoy. Yes or no? So whose mistake? Developer mistake. He's not adding, he's concatenating. Automatically your update 5,000 you deposit, your balance will become a 10 crores rupees. Single day you are a billionaire. Yeah. So that is the reason we have to convert to the typecasting. It is how? Here we are passing now, man, 20, 30. This programming I will tell later on, okay, na? Present just because of input function, it is treated as a string Giri. I'm entering some number. From here, I'm passing numbers. From this keyboard, I'm passing, okay? What I was doing is, now, what is the function I'm using? Integer of x. And what will happen? X should be converted to integer. Y should be converted to integer. Now, you can ask, your understandable purpose, I want to print, what I want to print? A and yes, B. Don't give X. A, B. Now, you have to check. This time your output is correct. Run module, first number, second. Ayyo. 10, 20. What is the output? 30 came. That's why typecasting is required. That is the reason we need to discover which one. Typecasting. Sir, typecasting means we can convert one type to other type. This conversion is called as typecasting, or another name is type coercion. Both are same. Some guys are calling as a typecasting, some guys are called as a type coercion. Both should be same. The typecasting functions are anything possible. I will give clarity. Wait, one by one. String to float, float to string, string to complex, complex to anything. I will give multiple examples. Wait, okay. So typecasting functions are integer, float, string, complex, PEX, bool. These are all the 5 functions. First function, integer. It is used to convert values from other types to the integer. That is the first function. Int function can be converted any data. Any data means these things. Float, string, complex bool. Anything converted to which type? Integer type. That is the meaning. See the examples. So int is a one function which is converting other data type to integer type. Come to our ideally. Here, this is ideally. Now program is not required. Close this. Sir, now integer. Instead I'm passing float value 12.9. What is the output? 12.9 is the float value or not? Yes, float value converted to integer. So what is the output? 12 or 13? Error. Very good. Sir, I'm converting float to integer. So what is the output? 12 or 13? 13. 13. 12, 12, 13. Sir, here, what is the meaning of float integer? Means the float values will be removed. Value will come 12 only. You are thinking that 12.5 above means 13, 12.5 below means that is the mathematics operations. Ceil, floor, 2 functions are there. If I'm using ceil function, it will goes to the next integer 13. Floor means 12, but here that rule is not applicable in Python. Int of 12.1. What it is? 12 only. Int of 12.999999. Now 12 only, not go for 13. Only floating point will be removed. Remaining value will come. That is the meaning of integer. Don't think 13 like that, okay? Sir, float to integer done. Next, I want to go with true meant for Boolean kada. Boolean to integer. What is the output? 1. Int of false. 0. Now, int of string value 10 to sir, string to integer, what will happen? 10 only, that single quotes will be removed. Just no example, enter first number 10, string converted, same thing. Now int of 10.5. Now 10.5. I'm converting integer. So automatically, what is the output? 10. 10. It will give left and right. That converted. Sir, now in this case, what is the output? 10. Very good. Wrong. 10 wrong answer. 10 confirm. Bet 100 rupees. Sir, you will get error. Not 10. Because the reason, read the error. Int function can accept which values? Base 10. Base 10 ante decimals. You are given 10.5, not valid. So invalid, not 10. Yes, error we are getting, not valid, sir. Only ఇది చదవండి చాలు, error you can read it. Already we have 4 values, base 10, base 2, base 8, base 16. I'm given float value. That's why invalid. Now tell carefully, integer of 10 plus 3j. Ten plus 3j. That is the complex number. Complex to integer. 10 or 10 plus 3, 13. Online answers చూద్దాం. 10. 10. Invalid. 9 ఎక్కడి తెచ్చాడు ఈయన? Error. Value error. Error. But some guys are telling error. Some guys are telling 10. One person telling 109. Error. What is the output? We are getting error because complex numbers are not possible to convert to integers. Now, intelligent boys, girls, you have to tell 0, B, 1, 0, 1, 0. What is the output? Output I'm asking. 0, B, 1, 0, 1, 0 means 10. So what is the output? 10. Very good. Wrong answer. Very good. 2 anta. 1, 2. చెప్పండి 3, 4, 5. Yes. 0, B, 1, 0, 1, 0. Sir, what is the output? Am I getting 10 or not? Sir, read this one, then you will get clarity. What it is asking? What I am given? Base 2. మరి valid? కాదు కదా. Invalid only. See that error, automatically will get the answer. Now they are telling directly, Babu, you can use base 10. How many times can I tell? You can use base 10 only. Again, you are given base 2. Invalid only. Now, sorry. 0 వల్ల ఇక్కడ ఓ పడింది. Yeah. Now, valid, invalid? Yes, very good. Invalid. The output is invalid. Yes or no? Sir, మళ్ళీ 100 rupees bet అయితే. Valid. Valid. 100 bet అయితే. Sir, 10 is the output. Check it. Give 100. Sir, see the reason. Simple logic only. If it is a string, not valid. Is it a string or direct value na? Direct value 0b10. Oh. So 0b1010, what is the value? You have to tell 10 or not. Yesterday we discussed. You can give binary after anything internally, decimal only. So 10. Here the problem is I am given with string. That is the reason. Adi paristhiti. So examples, take this 10 of 12.3. integer of true, integer of. Sir, examination, they give this type of questions only. Whenever you can write written exams, but they are not given any kilometers of codes. Just they will do simple 4 answers they will give. Simply you are getting confusion only. I will show that type of questions also for you. Integer of float, boolean, 10. Integer of 10.5. Integer of 0b 1010, error. Integer of 0b 1010, valid. Float, bool, string, complex, integer of 10 plus 3j. Sorry, ikkada outputs. First case 12, second case 1, third case 0, fourth case 10, fifth case invalid. I'm written. I'm not writing that much lengthy output. Idi kuda invalid. Here valid. Here invalid. Invalid means conversion not possible. That is the meaning. Clear everyone? Any doubt? First one, we can convert from any type to integer except complex. Sir, why I'm telling all this pin to pin means whenever I went for examination, Microsoft certification, they are giving this type of questions only, everything. We can convert any type to integer except complex type. If you want to convert str type to integer type, what is the rule? Compulsory str should be only integer value and should be specified in base 10. Is the two rules. Anything is possible except complex. If you want to convert string, compulsory base 10 only. అందుకే here I am getting error, here I am getting error. Here we are getting valid one. That is the int function. What is the second one? Float. Other types values to the float value. Float, any type to float, whether it is an integer, boolean, complex, string. 4 data types converted to the float type. Completed up to here. Now see the examples first. I'm using function float, sir. Float of 10. What is the 10? Integer. Integer to float. Float means dot value. Just it is added dot 0 only. Nothing. Only dot 0 will be added. Yes, 10.0. Next, float of true. 1.0. Float of false. 0 or 0.0? 0.0. 0. 0. 0 na 0.0 na? Compulsory 0.0. Float means compulsory dot value mandatory 0.0, not 0. Because int of false already executed. What it is? 0. Float means difference is there, na? That's why float means compulsory 0.0, not 0. Raji, Jay Prakash. So many guys at 0.0. Int means 0. Float means compulsory 0.0, sir. Float of string value 10. 10.0. Float of 10.5. 10.5. 10.5 are invalid. Previous cases carefully you can check it. Based on that you have to tell 10.5, 10.5, 10.5. Sorry. 10.5 are invalid. 10.5. 10.5. Raji, invalid. I don't know. Very good. Good answer. Sir, here already the value should be in the float value, na? Pakka valid. The output should be 10.5 only. Because integer, the rule is applicable, float not. Because already value is available float, it will remove the single quotes. The output is 10.5 only. Already executed. Now, penny integer, boolean, string, complex. 10 plus 3j. Complex numbers are not possible to convert any type. Asla, that is the different style complex is the. So conversion is not possible, sir. That is the story of float. Float of 10. So float very simple only. If the values are okay. Without string of 10.5. Array. Without string of 10.5, why should I convert it? Already it is float value, na? Not required. Float of Sunny. Error. Error. Kavita. You can try it, no problem. Don't ask me anything. Open ideally, execute. If still if you're not getting clarity, then I will explain. Because float means compulsory what I want to give numbers. But what she is given, Sunny, invalid only. Kavita. Sir, float of 10. Take this. Float of true. Float of false. Can execute chesam. Float of 10. Float of 10.5. Float of only complex not possible. Remaining all are valid cases only. 10.0, 1.0, 0.0, and 10.0, 10.5 invalid. The float case. Now, can you use 10.0? Yeah, definitely. Valid only. What is the wrong with there? Whatever she is asking. 10.0 into 10.0, 100.0. Valid only. Just it is multiplication. Hmm. 100.0. అంతే 10. Wait, I will execute. You will get clarity. 10.0 into 10.0. 100.0 only, not two zeros. Hey, it is normal mathematics calculation only. 10 into 10, 100 dot 0 only. That is the float, sir. Babu, whatever you have doubts, you can execute in ideally. Okay, invalid. Because 2 star Sunny means, okay, fine, Sunny repeated. I want to convert that one to the float. Mahesh, invalid. Third one. We will stop this one, last one, remaining to next class. Boolean. Boolean means you know only two answers only you have, true, false, no other answer. Sir, your answer must and should either true and false only. Don't tell other answers, okay? Now, time up, sir. Abba, wait. You still 5 minutes are there. Sir, bool of 1, true. Bool of 0, bool of 10, bool of 10. Starting, I'm telling your answer is true and false only. Don't tell invalid errors, okay? You have only two options, true or false, ante. Don't tell, because bool never give error. Bool ante meaning and what is the meaning? Either true or else false only. Your answer should be true and false only. How to decide that one true or false? I am correct and you are always correct. Name itself indicating na you are always correct only. Dinesh telling false. Okay, sir. Now I will give, sir. I will give 3 rules. Based on that, you have to decide. Okay, na? 3 rules I am telling here. 0 means false. Next, no, 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 no. Non-zero means true. Okay, read these rules, then you have to decide. I'm not telling one, no. Non-zero. Non-zero means just now I'm given bool of 10. 10 is 0 na, non-zero na? Non-zero. Non-zero means true. Third rule. Empty string always bus. These 3 rules, based on that you have to decide. Okay. Now, simple now. Bool of 10 now. What it is? Yeah. Bool of 0.001. True or false? Very good. What it is? Sir, 0.001 means some value there, not there. If something value means non-zero, non-zero means true only, not false. Because non-zero, 0 you can compare. Bool of 0.0. Now it should be false only. Bool of 10 plus 3j. Very good. What it is? Error. Very good. Nice. What I'm telling? Your answer is true and false only. No error, invalid, nothing. Sir, read these 3 rules. 10 plus 3j means, is it 0 na something value na? I don't know what is value, but something value is there. So definitely true only. Sir, bool never give error. Only 2 answers only. True na false? Bool of 0 plus 0j. Very good. False. 0 plus 0j means what it is? 0 totally. False only. Not true. ఆన్లైన్ ఆన్సర్ కుస్తీ పడుతున్నారు బానే. ఓకే నౌ అయ్యో బూల్ ఆఫ్ ట్రూ. What it is? True only, because single quotes means something string is there, not there. Bool of now. Now it should be false. Very good. False. There is one space is there, man. True. Yes or no? అయ్యో చూడండి జాగ్రత్తగా అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి మీరే. ఇదిగోండి నౌ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎంటీ. ఓకేనా? ఇది ఫాల్స్. ప్రీవియస్ గా వన్ స్పేస్ ఐఎమ్ గివెన్. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? స్పేస్ క్యారెక్టర్, నాట్ క్యారెక్టర్. ఎస్, దట్స్ వై ట్రూ ఓన్లీ. దిస్ కేస్ ఫాల్స్ బికాస్ ఎంటీ స్ట్రింగ్ కాబట్టి. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ఆల్ ద రూల్స్ ఆర్ దేర్. బూల్ ఆఫ్ నన్. True or false? False. True. Malli invalid. Stick there. True na false? Only two only. Something string is there, not there. That's why it is a false. None means empty, nothing. It is not a string. I'm not given single quotes. What is the meaning of none? Null value. Empty. Empty means false only. True, true. You can tell answer only. Don't tell I'm correct or wrong. I will tell are you correct or wrong. Okay. False. Mas anni. Sir, next. Bus, sir. Okay. Next I have session is there. Take this one. Bool of whatever examples I'm given 0. Bool of 1. Bool of 10. Bool of 0, 1, 10. 0.001. Bool of 0.0. Bool of 10 plus 3j. Bool of 0 plus 0j. Bool of string. Bool of this one. Bool of none. Bus. These are all the examples I executed. 0, 1, 10, 0, 0, 1, 0.0, 10 plus 3j, 0 plus 0j. One space, without space, none. None means any function. No, data type. Data type. None means data types are not a function. ఎక్కడ ఇదిగోండి somewhere else I'm given ఇదిగోండి collection data types. What is the none? It is the one of the data type. Later I will tell that story, none story also. Okay, it's not a function. That's it today class. Okay, so tomorrow there is no class, holiday. Some work is there. I'm going to out of station. Next class is on very good